Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to USN Mix YouTube channel. Today's topic is OnePlus 7T Pro launch date and leaked features. So this is about today's topic is about OnePlus 7T Pro smartphone launched date and its feature. First go to our website. Our website is usnmix.com. But before start, I request you, if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics mainly discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe and make comments. And also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you do not get full information. And don't cut the video. Otherwise, you miss many useful information and tips on this topic. Okay friends, let's start. First go to our website usnmix.com. So there is one report about OnePlus 7T Pro launch date and featured leaked. So we click on this to get the full report. So this is the full report. OnePlus 7T Pro launched date and featured leaks. USN Mix report. OnePlus 7T Pro will launch on this date. No leaked features. According to the tips Mark J, this smartphone will launch on 26 September and will be its first sale on 15 October. So it will launch on 26 September and selling start from 15 October. OnePlus is going to launch OnePlus 7T Pro in the Indian market next month. So far, many tips have been revealed regarding this smartphone. If you pay attention to the launching so far, OnePlus launches the smartphone twice a year. OnePlus 6T was launched in October last year. Therefore, there were reports recently that OnePlus 7T Pro can be launched on October 15. So it will be launched on September and the selling start from October. According to the report, OnePlus 7T can also be launched along with the 7T Pro. OnePlus 7T Pro. According to the tips Mark J, the smartphone will launch on 26 September and will be the first sale on 15 October. After launching in India, this phone will also be launched in the US and Europe markets on October 10. So it will first launch in India, then it's spread to the other countries like US, Europe and all the remaining parts of the world on October 10. US and Europe in October 10, it launches on October 10. According to the leaked, till now the notch has not been given in OnePlus 7T Pro. What is the meaning? Which means it may have a pop-up selfie camera. Apart from this, the smartphone can have triple rear camera setup. In addition, it will work on Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus SoC processor. The same revelations have come to light about the features so far. So this is the leaked video about this OnePlus 7T Pro. So we'll wait for 1 month and approximately 2 months to buy it, because its sale start on 15 October. So that's it. After watching the video, you can now know about the OnePlus 7T Pro leaked features. And thanks for watching this video. If you like our video and our channel, then you can like, share and subscribe of our USN Mix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of USN Mix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video once again. Thank you.